Guys, this is so cool, I can't put my computer down. I don't know if you've heard, but Facebook released its info and ads feature finally. Back in the winter, they talked about how in an effort to be more transparent, they were going to let you see exactly what ads every business on Facebook was running, and it's here. So the cool part about this is you get to see any ads that your competitors are running, but you don't get to see their targeting, which in my opinion is just as important, if not more important than the ad itself sometimes. So when you're looking at the ads, make sure you're thinking about how and who they are targeting, and if you're going to take a strategy from them, think about how you can do the same thing to make sure it still feeds those individuals that are most interested in your product or service. Just don't take it and think it's going to work for you. That's the other thing, you don't know how it's working for them. So make sure before you recon anything, you think about how it serves your bottom line more than theirs. So let's jump in and see how you can use this feature. All right, so now that we're in Facebook, we're gonna wanna type in a company we wanna take a look at. Now, a company that I think is pretty cool and local to our Poach Rats office is Death Wish Coffee. And a fun fact is they actually just sent coffee into space. So if I go over to their profile, and here you're gonna wanna make sure that you click a page, not a profile. So if it's just an individual's profile, for example, I have both a profile and a business page, you wanna make sure you click the page, otherwise they won't have this tab. But on the left-hand side, you'll see info and ads. Go ahead and click that. And then it's going to have active ads from Death Wish Coffee Company, and here they're gonna insert any page that you're looking at. Ads for the United States are listed, and then just scroll and you'll see everything that they're currently running. Now there's a few cool features here. You can actually click on all of these ads to see what pages they're linking over to. Now I think this is a great way to see if an individual has consistency in what they're running. You're gonna wanna make sure whatever your ad is, you then have that same content on your website when you get there. So that may be an advantage you could have over a competitor if you're running the same offer and theirs doesn't link to the same exact page. But the other thing here as well is if individuals, competitors are checking out what you're running as a business, they're not going to be able to interfere with your analytics. Here you'll see a section that is blurred out or grayed out for likes, comments, and shares. So here those analytics are going to be true to the individuals you are actually targeting via your advertising. And it's as simple as that. Now, I challenge you not to go through a black hole of finding out what your competitors are doing for the rest of the day. Instead, take a peek and gain some inspiration from what they're putting out there and find out how you can make something work for your business. And I'd love to hear how you plan on utilizing this tool, so comment below, and if you want to stay up to date on what's trending, make sure to subscribe to the channel.